Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix the HiTV app download problem in 2025. If you've been struggling to get the app on your device, stick around because I've got two simple solutions that actually work. First, the most important thing is to make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can often prevent downloads, so double check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Next, open your Play Store and search for the HiTV app. If it shows that the app is not available in your region, or if you're still facing a download issue, don't worry. That's where the VPN comes in. If you have a VPN installed on your device, simply open it and connect to a server in a country where HiTV is available. Once you're connected, go back to the Play Store, search for the app again, and you should be able to download it without any problems. If you don't want to use a VPN, there's another reliable method: downloading the HiTV APK directly. Open your browser, search for HiTV APK, and you'll find the websites that provide the latest version of the app. Download the APK file and install it on your device, and you're good to go. And that's it. These two methods, using a VPN or downloading the APK, are the fastest ways to fix the HiTV app download problem. If you follow these steps, you'll be streaming without any issues in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.